Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in Florida and dealing with food insecurity, today's video is a must-watch. We're breaking down how to apply for SNAP benefits in 2025. SNAP, or the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, is a federal initiative designed to help low-income households afford nutritious food. It's a lifeline for many, so let's dive in. First, understand what makes you eligible. For 2025, you generally need to be a U.S. citizen or qualified immigrant residing in Florida, with a household income at or below 130% of the federal poverty level. This varies by family size, so check the latest guidelines on the official Florida Department of Children and Families (DCF) website. Factors like assets, expenses, and employment status also play a role, so gather your details early. Now, let's talk about the application process. The easiest way is online via the DCF's Access Florida portal at myflorida.com/accessflorida. Start by creating an account with your email and personal information. Once logged in, fill out the application form. It covers your household size, income sources, expenses, and any deductions you're eligible for. This step is straightforward but thorough, so take your time. Don't forget the required documents. You'll need proof of identity, like a driver's license or social security card, proof of residency such as a utility bill, income verification like pay stubs or tax returns, and details about your household members. Upload these digitally through the portal, or if you prefer, you can apply by mail or in person at a local DCF office. After submitting, expect a review process that could include a phone or in-person interview to verify your information. Processing typically takes 30 days, so apply early to avoid delays. If approved, you'll receive an EBT card to use at grocery stores. A few quick tips. Double-check all your entries for accuracy, seek help from community resources if needed, and keep copies of everything you submit. Applying for SNAP can be empowering, so don't hesitate. That's it for today's guide on applying for Florida SNAP in 2025. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, stay informed and take care.